Centropus in essence attacks snakes. Hornbills attack turtles. Wildlife is always an intriguing and fascinating topic in the animal kingdom. Don't take your eyes off the screen today as we take you to the fierce moments of predatory birds hunting for their next meals. A black mamba tried to sneak into one of the two birds' nests to steal the axe. Two mother birds are trying to attack a predator to protect their eggs. Faced with a strong onslaught, the black mamba became scared and tried to run away. A brave bird attacks a snake twice its size. Perhaps this snake had previously eaten the bird's offspring. The mighty mother bird repeatedly attacked the venomous snake's size. Will the bird encounter danger in this attack? This serves as a reminder of the harsh realities of nature and the constant struggle for survival every day. The little bird tries to defeat the venomous snake. Continuously attack the head of the predator. In excruciating pain, the snake tried to escape. Never underestimate an animal as small as this bird. The bird kept pecking at the snake's belly. The victim opened her mouth as a threat, but was unable to do anything else to defend herself in her frail state. As you can see, the snake's intestines were pulled out by the little bird. We know it's a law of nature, but sometimes the life cycle of an animal can be devastating. Ground hornbill. The southern hornbill is an extremely large bird with a rather ferocious beak. They're very adept at digging into exposed areas to uncover anything that is trying to hide under the grass. Their diet includes spiders, lizards, frogs, toads, and even snakes. Watch the powerful and deadly mind in action in this video. The large and powerful beak turns the southern red hornbill into a fearsome predator of the African continent. These birds are one of the few that hunt at all turtles. Seeing how they use their beaks before attacking, trying to pierce through the soft flesh of their prey, is truly terrifying. This hornbill looks like a turkey from hell. With its extremely sharp and strong beak, it is perfectly suited to pierce the skin of reptiles or cut through the tough shells of turtles to extract the meat inside. The southern red hornbill uses its dangerously sharp beak to knock down its prey, making it a fearsome predator. For an amazing shot of an adult southern plover catching and then devouring a whole snake. After catching a small frog, the southern red hornbill takes its prey away and swallows it whole. Owl. The structures inside the owl's eyes act like mirrors. Delivers 100 times better night vision than humans. The owl is a fish hunter. Its legs are hairless, making them perfect for diving into the water. The long curved claws form false nails. It is tracking a fish at the water's edge, then quickly rush down to catch the prey. A good meal? This owl is one of the largest and strongest owls in the United States. As dusk fell, he looked down at a clearing. Its eyes are adjusted to see clearly in the night. And most importantly, listen. That gives him incredible accuracy when it comes to identifying prey during the night. Faint rustle in the dry leaves. Another nocturnal hunter, the rat. The owl head can rotate 270 degrees, 3/4 revolution. Aim at the target. The rat is not yet aware of the danger. A powerful and quick pounce grabs prey and carries it away. The hamster's ears are very large and can detect danger around it. But what good is that if the danger doesn't make a sound? Silence. Predatory birds hunting for their next meals. Is this snow owl's secret weapon? A black mamba tried to sneak into one of the two birds' nests to start hunting. And her attack was as silent as death. To attack a predator to protect their eggs. Blue heron. The blue heron is an elite bird of prey, capable of hunting snakes and other animals such as mice, frogs, and rabbits. After catching its prey, it carries the snake to a place where the prey has little chance of escaping. Perhaps this snake had previously eaten the bird's offspring. Finally knocked down the prey before eating. The mighty mother bird repeatedly attacked. What other animal would you like to learn about? Let us know what you think. Danger in this attack. If you like this video, give us a like. Don't forget to press the notification bell to follow the Hawks videos as soon as possible. We wish you a good day.